Now this is my video number 13. The topic is operation on real numbers. We'll be learning addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of irrational numbers. See how. So to explain this, I'll be taking one example here. If I have to plus this, add this, we cannot add this. The reason is this: on adding, this whole part should be same. For adding and subtraction, this is called surd actually. This is called surd. This is called surd. This whole thing. You can say like this. This whole thing is surd. And this inside is called radicand. And this here it is 2. This is called order. So in order to add the numbers like this, the whole surd should be same. The surd includes this inside part, that is radicand, and this is the order. Let's take one more example. Here, this whole is not same. Why? Because the radicand is 3 and 8, which is different, and the order is 3 and here the order is 4. So you cannot add or subtract this. So the rule for adding, addition and subtraction is, so here is the rule for addition and subtraction: the whole surd should be same. Now let me explain you with more examples here. Look at the surd part, this whole part. This is what same. So according to the rule, we can add this. So your answer will be, this will be what? Add these two things, means 2 plus 5, and write this surd only once. सिर्फ एक बार लिखना. This will be what? 7 root 3. Let's take one more example here. It is 5 raised to the power cube root 5. This 10. Here we cannot add this. इसे हम लोग ऐड नहीं कर सकते. Why? Because this part is not same. And the thing is, what is not same in this? Look at the order here. Here the order is 3 and the order is what? If it is not, it is taken 2. So you cannot add this. It will remain like this. Look at the surd part. This, the whole thing is same. This will be 10 plus 6, 16, and this will be. So this is all about addition and subtraction. Now there is a rule for multiplication and division. The rule for multiplication and division is, the order should be same. Let's clarify you with an example here. Now look at this. See, this 5 and this 3 is a whole number, so we will multiply them. Now look at about this. Can we multiply this? According to the rule, we can multiply this because the order is same. Order means this is. Here is also 2, here is also 2. So we can multiply this. So we can do like this, 2 multiply 3. This will be what? 5 3 15, and this will be root 6. So this is your answer. I have taken a question here. So I know that this is going to multiply with this and this both. So root 2 is multiply with root 5, then minus root 2 is going to multiply with root 2. Now this 3 will going to multiply with this as well as this. So this will be plus root 3 multiply root 5 minus root 3 and root 2. Can you multiply this? Yes, because the order is same. So it will be 2 into 5, 10 root 10. Can you multiply this? Yes, because the order is same. Minus 2 into 2, 4. Plus this will be root 15. This will be what? Root 6. We cannot solve this. It will remain. We can solve this. It will be 2. Cannot solve this. Now the multiplication is over. Now look at there's a minus and plus sign. The question is, can we solve this? For rule is what? The whole surd should be same. See, none of the surd is same. So this is your final answer. We cannot do anything in this now. Thank you.